Hi, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're talking about spheres. We're trying to find the volume. We're continuing our lesson on volume, and the previous lessons dealt with either a prism or a cylinder, where you take the base and multiply times the height, or you dealt with a cone or a pyramid, where you take the base, multiply times the height, and divide it by 3. This would be neither one. It only has its own formula, and that formula is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Okay, so you use that formula every single time when you're trying to find the volume of a sphere. So let's start with the first one. Now with this one, what we want to do is we're going to start off with our formula. 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. And it looks similar to the area of a circle, but it's going to be cubed. You don't want to forget that. Now, we have our one measurement, our 9 yards, and we're going to plug that into our radius, or for our radius. So we have 4 times pi 9 raised to the third divided by 3. And I'm going to use, leave the pi in and leave it in terms of pi. So I'm going to have 4 times 9 cubed, which is 729. Times pi divided by 3. Okay, now that's going to get us 4 times 729, which is 2,916 pi divided by 3. And then our final answer is going to be 972 pi. Okay, so this is basically plug in your formula. And plug in your values and just solve. Okay, let's take a look at another example. Number 2 here, same thing except the radius is 6 instead of 9. So I'm going to start with the formula. Don't forget it's cubed and it's divided by 3 here. Plugging in 4 pi 6 for the radius, cubed divided by 3. And 6 cubed is going to get us 216 times pi divided by 3. 4 times 216 is 864 divided by 3. Pi here. And then our final answer will be 288 pi. Yeah, so doing the sphere is pretty basic. You just got to make sure you got the right formula. All right, here's our last example. Okay, now on this one they give us the diameter, which is 2 feet. So you want to make sure you plug in the radius into the formula, and the radius on this one will be 1. All right, so we're going to plug 1 in here, and we'll have 1 cubed. All right, and 1 times 1 times 1 will be 1, and 1 times 4 pi will be 4 pi cubed. And that's going to get you the decimal 1.3333, and if we round to the nearest tenth, that'll be 1.3, and we're going to leave our pi on here. And that's pretty much it. Just want to make sure you use this formula here, which is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. And you want to make sure you use cubed and not squared. And I just want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.